So we are gonna create the recurrent task. That's our main goal here. So first of all, let's go to the view where you want to create recurrent task. So for us, this is the one. Well, there is only one database, which is uh, the clean database. So yeah, so here new, and then you need to create, duplicate this, like duplicate. Okay, and name the task you want to repeat every week, like cleaning my room. Okay, good. Okay, that's a task you need to show up every week, once in a week. Okay, so let's close that and then just open it again. And as you can see, this is the task. Okay, so here, from here, let's automate this by going into repeat, and rather than selecting week, they just select the week. Okay, and from there, you how many days you want to show up, 2 times, or you can select that here, once a week. You just want to show up in once a week, so I'll just leave that at one. After that, then which day you want to show this up. I want to show this up in every Saturday because Saturday I'm free, and so it's basically a cleaning hour, a clean day. Saturday is my clean day, yes. And so select and select the starting tomorrow. You can start by tomorrow, end date, and then also this cancel, choose the time zone, and after all that, just save. That's it. Here we create a recurrent task. For each new recurrent task you want to add, just duplicate each one and this and change the name. That's it. Simple as that. Hope you like it, and that's how you do it.